Diwali is indeed a festival of celebration, love and of course food. So I thought of making a gujiya recipe this time. And how about a savory one? I'm sure it's loved by every kid. But you know me, I have to give it a unique touch of mine. For that, I have my companion to help me. Our unique healthy veggie is corn. So let's make soya corn gujiyas with Nutrela soya. Gujiya has always been my favorite, but as a chef, I thought of updating the nutritional aspects of it. So for that, I'm using my favorite ingredient, which is Nutrela Soya Granules from my pantry. Add in 1 cup of Nutrela Soya Granules in boiling hot water. It's loaded with 52% of protein and is amazingly healthy. Drain it, rinse it thoroughly with water and then squeeze out all the extra moisture. The soya granules are ready to use. And now let's start making the stuffing, for which I'm going to be using Nutrela Refined Soyabean Oil. So let's heat up a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, a tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onions. Saute all these ingredients for a few seconds, 1 capsicum finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of boiled corn. You know that corn is an excellent source of fiber and vitamins and it's good for our digestive health. 5 finely chopped light green chilies. Cook these for a minute. Add in the Nutrela soya granules. As you can see, the texture of the soya granules is so soft, and the best part about it that it's 100% vegetarian and no added chemicals. Saute all these ingredients for at least 2 to 3 minutes to dry out all the moisture from the soya granules. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon raw mango powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Give it a good mix. I've used my favorite Patanjali spices to flavor this dish, and now into this goes in 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Add in a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a final mix and turn off the flame. Remove it from the hot pan and let it cool down completely. While the stuffing is cooling down, let's quickly make the dough for the gujiyas. For that, I have 1 cup of wheat flour, and now into this I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of semolina, 1 big pinch of salt, add in 1.5 tablespoons of Nutrela Refined Soyabean Oil. Mix all the ingredients together, add in a little bit of water and start binding all these ingredients. All the prep is done. Let's start shaping the gujiyas. Take a small portion of the dough. Apply a little bit of oil onto the board. Roll the dough into a small puri. Place the filling. Seal it. And now let's shape the edges. In this way, shape all the gujiyas. The gujiyas are shaped and ready, and for frying, I'm going to be using Nutrela Refined Soyabean Oil. The best thing about this oil is that it has omega-3 and 6 that keeps you fit, plus it's fortified with vitamins A and D. Turn on the flame. Fry the gujiyas in hot oil on low heat. These are beautifully browned. Let's get them out. Serve these soya corn gujiyas with some sweet and green chutney. I've tried to give it a nutritious touch that the kids are going to love. Do try this recipe at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food, and to explore more such soya recipes, do check out the Insta handle mynutrela. Stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you soon, and happy Diwali.